wonder, okay, I'm gonna try and lightly, oh, what the? Hey, what's up everyone? So today we're gonna be trying out these oil Sharpies. I picked these up from a craft store in Wisconsin. I was looking for these specific paint markers and they didn't have them. So I found these Sharpie markers. Let's see if you guys can see it. Here's a big one. Yeah, so they're oil-based Sharpie markers and they're supposed to work pretty well. So I thought I'd give them a try. And I've been wanting to start painting on some leather wallets. So I picked this bad boy up at Goodwill. It's a Kenneth Cole. It's just your average wallet. So we're gonna be applying these to here, and I'll insert right now the sketch that I'm gonna be doing on that, or at least what my basis for the sketch is gonna be. So let's go. I'm gonna start out by getting the factory finish off of the wallet. I'm using isopropyl, here. Yeah, check that out. And the reason that I'm doing this is because if you don't do this step, the paint or oil paint or acrylic or whatever you're using on top of it, it's not gonna stick very well. You're gonna have to use a bunch of coats, and then it's also going to come off a lot easier. So the durability of it is not gonna last that long. So, okay, now I'm gonna put our design on there. Oh my god. Okay, you guys do not just, wow. Okay, so this part I'm just applying a white base on there. I need to get the sketch onto the wallet. So I'm just using the white marker to do so, and then also applying white as the background for this, just so that when we apply the colors on there, they're really gonna pop. Why is that a thing? Okay. So that's what I don't like about these, is that they freak out. Look at this. It's like they're 12-year-old boys. You know what I'm saying? But seriously, that pisses me off. All right, so now I'm just gonna speed quickly through me applying the light purple to the squid. I wonder, okay, I'm gonna try and lightly, oh, what the? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? No! This isn't funny. Messiest freaking review ever. Alright, and I'm going to take this paintbrush, kind of try to lightly mix these two together. You know what? That kind of looks pretty. Ooh, actually, yeah, this looks pretty. Alright, so now I'm adding the darker purple to the squid, and I'm also going to use this kind of like as like a bit of a shade in some parts of it. From there, I'm going to be adding the darker blue into the waves. This is going to be the background blue as well. I'm going to be adding it to the bottom section of the teacup. Now we're going in with the lighter blue in the front waves as well as in the front part of the bottom of the teacup. This is where I'm going to now take the paintbrush and kind of blend out a lot of the paint that spilled over it. Now I'm adding some of the light purple into the eye section just so that that pops out a little bit. Right, so now I'm cleaning up the edges of this. I'm going in with the black marker and we're going to make a clean line around all of this crazy paint spillage. All right, this part I'm adding the little suction cup thingies to the tentacles of the squid. Once I'm all done with that, I'm also going to be adding some dots to the squid's head as well, just to make a little bit more definition and make it look a little pretty. All right, now I'm going in with the micro pen. I'm gonna add some definition to the entire sketch. I'm gonna also use this as like an outline, as well as to do some hatch marks for some shading on there, just because I'm not even going to bother with trying to do shading with the actual paint pens, because that would be a pain. If you're an artist, you can probably tell that I'm not really used to doing this kind of processing for adding definition or shading, but you know what? We're learning as we go, so yeah, don't give me crap for it. All right, so we made it to the end. So I cleaned up a little because my hands, originally they look like Barney from how much paint overspill happened. So now I'm gonna insert some clips of the final product and what it looks like. So my overall review on these is that the oil markers aren't exactly how I thought they would be. You know, it could have been user error. I should have probably like broken them in prior to just going straight for the wallet, but you know, that's kind of how I like to do it, is I like to just go for it and not really like practice anything. So you know what, that could have also been me. What I really like about these is how high pigmented the oil paint is on it. It only takes about 1 to 2 coats for it not to be at all transparent. Actually, like the first coat of paint, it's not really transparent at all. So that's what I really like about it. They do dry fairly fast for them being oil. So I do also really like that as well. If you get a paintbrush, you can blend the colors very easily and make a really great gradient on it. So those are some aspects I do like. However, as you can see from the video, it was a little bit messy, but that's okay. So yeah, final product, this is what it looks like. I'm really excited about working on purses and wallets now more often, so we're gonna see some more of that. And I'm also really digging this whole vibe of in the teacup with like the sea creature in there. I know that there's a lot of tattoos. The whole inspiration behind this came from some tattoos that I found on Pinterest of teacups with like with a sea and a big old pirate ship in it. So I'm kind of digging this whole theme. So maybe if you guys want, I can start doing some more of these, put something like this up for commission. I don't think I'm gonna sell this because I messed up right here where we had that oil spill, and see, it's just a little sticky getting it open. So I don't think anyone wants to deal with that, and I also really like the design. So I'm gonna keep this one, but if anybody else wants something similar, hit me up and I'd love to do it. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm gonna be doing some band shoes. It's gonna be a surprise for somebody, so stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button so that you guys get updated whenever that video gets put out there. Should be a couple days. And also hit the like button if you guys dig this video. I would love if you would comment below any suggestions you might have for me, any ideas on something that you might want me to do in the future with this whole theme, or whatever you guys like. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and for subscribing and everything, and I can't wait to shoot some more videos for you.